Welcome to your last training exercise. Your job is to build something only using these tools. You must order your own bricks, and the deadline is by the end of this week. Good luck. Alright, so what are we gonna build? We should build a house. Too simple. I say we just wing it. I'm down. I'll go pick up some bricks. Wait, do we know what bricks we need? Nope. So here's our plan. We're gonna put some bricks on top of other bricks and screw on some nails, nail on some screws, and we'll be golden. Sounds like a plan. That's because it is a plan. Well, it's a really good plan. What on earth are we going to be doing with pink bricks, Bob? Well, I assume we're going to be building with them. Then let's get building. We're out of bricks now. This time I'm picking up bricks. Who's hungry? Good. How much did this cost, Tom? I have no idea. Oh, would you look at the time? It's time to go. Oh, wait, guys. Help me down. Oh. Hey, guys, help me down here. Hey, we're almost done. It's looking great. You just need to add the finishing touches. Whoa. Wow, I really underestimated you guys a lot. A lot. Especially you. You all passed the test.